What is up, guys? It's your boy Sammy. You already know. I'm back with my friends. We're doing another challenge, the Woodwork challenge. The way this is gonna work, we have to hit all 3 posts, the crossbar and the 2 side posts. And you already know this video isn't a video without a forfeit. So make sure you guys stay tuned to the end of the video to see what the forfeit is. So let's get straight into it. Let's go. It's gonna be the quickest video on my channel to this date. I'm gonna hit all 3 posts real quick, guys. You already know. Watch this. I'm gonna hit all 3 posts real quick, guys. You already know. It's all good. It's all good.
Like you said, it's gonna be the fastest video because I'm gonna end this shit right now. Watch.
Oh shit!
That's what Josué.
This jersey goes hard. I'm representing Byron today.
No joke.
Ah!
That's gonna be a week for it. Dedicated to my boy Josué.
Oh! Oh!
That's fire.
I haven't hit any.
Oh, man.
I'm gonna go for the crossbar again. We'll see how that goes. Let's go. Ah!
Brexit means Brexit.
Oh my god, bro.
Ah! Oh! You saw that? You saw that? That's why they call me the GOAT.
Shout out Texas, bro. I know they lost though.
Why go right when she left?
Let's get this guy out of here, man.
Bro, that was so bad, bro. I'm gonna call it left corner. No, actually right corner.
What the?
My ideology is if I just aim for top bins, it's gonna go to the post because I never score.
Oh!
Banger.
Oh my god. That was horrible.
Volley, corner.
Hey!
Hey, that was sick though.
That was a dead touch.
Done playing around. It's gonna be corner. It's gonna be the end of the fucking video. I'm in the weak foot too. Fuck it.
Oh!
Top bins again. Hopefully I hit the post this though.
Oh.
Time to lock in, boys. Time to lock in.
The Fortnite default skin, the blonde guy, right here. Shout out to all the people who wear them. They don't like
Oh! Alright, guys, my turn. I'm gonna go left now. Crossbar! Oh! Oh!
Oh, that was good.
People ask me what I would do if I didn't hit the crossbar.
I guess we'll never know.
Fuck.
Nah.
That would've been cool.
That would've been cool. Bombs! Oh! Shout out my mom. Yeah.
Oh!
Crossbar, let's go! Oh!
North Sanders, Colorado, baby.
Yeah. Oh! Oh! Alright, guys, so I'm down right now, but I can't lose my own channel. You already know, so I gotta pick it up. Let's go.
Hey!
Oh! My
Hashtag blessed.
Oh! Oh shit! That would have been it. Oh! Bro,
Dude,
I'm so ass, bro. What the hell?
we are the hardest working people ever.
Oh!
Does that count?
Nah, we'll give it to him. We'll give it to him. Yeah, we'll give it to him. I'm the worst one here.
Yes.
I lost in my own channel again, but let's just get straight into a forfeit. Let's go. All right, guys, so we're in the forfeit now. We got some eggs. I'm about to get smashed with these eggs.
Oh,
That's fucking nasty, eh?
that's nasty as fuck.
Just crack the fucking egg on me. Ah. No. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. You guys haven't, so make sure you guys go check out my socials. Link in the description. And these were my friends.
Like the video, subscribe.
Subscribe, please. It will mean a
Roll
lot.
to 1,000 subscribers.
Roll to 1,000, please. But thank you guys for watching again, and peace.